Y'all need to slow down out here. It's on Michigan, US 23. Big truck done rolled over. Oh my God! I think he ran into the woods. I don't really know what happened. His fuel tank's over. The cab done separated from the frame. I hope he okay, man. That ain't cool. You know, yeah, I think he ran into the woods over there. And I don't see another car. Wait a minute. Oh no, there's a car in there. There's a car over there. He hit a car. Somebody probably died today. Yep, there's a car in there. Y'all see them flashing lights. He hit a car. Wow. All these state troopers. Shit. Y'all just be careful, man. It's not worth, this trucking is not worth somebody's life. Somebody in that car probably died today. I don't know. But it's just not worth it. Y'all be safe out here. Don't cut trucks off and give cars courtesy. And we all can make it to our destination safely.